Welcome back to Comfy Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, beauty and comfort tips and tricks and challenges to apply straight in your busy schedules.
If you watched our last video, you know that we went all in and completely redesigned an outdoor garden to fit a herb garden. And coming out of the exercise, we actually came out with a lot of spare peppermint leaves that we didn't know where to put. So we asked ourselves what to do next, what to do with them. Should we throw them out? Of course we didn't want to throw them out because we know all the benefits of peppermint leaves. So in this case we decided to create a playlist of different recipes and cooking videos.
In general, peppermint can be used fresh, dried as an oil or extract. But in this particular video we'll focus on fresh and dried options that we can get from our garden. So before we start cooking, let's have a look at the benefits of peppermint, which is rich with vitamin A and vitamin C. It can ease up your headache, it can help with upset stomach, it can boost your immune system. And let's not forget, it's very rich with antioxidants and it's a good source for minerals like iron, potassium and magnesium.
Now let's get straight to recipes. In this video we're going to show you how to cook a pea mint soup. You know the kind of Shrek would do?
Just a tasty one.
But it's still going to be a green one.
For this recipe you will need a bunch of fresh mint, 600 grams potatoes, 1 onion, half a liter vegetable stock, 350 grams fresh or frozen peas, 80 grams blue cheese, salt and pepper and some oil.
So, for the soup preparation, you start with chopping mint and onion. Also, peel and dice the potato. Then, put the onions into a large pan and fry for a few minutes. Then add potatoes and vegetable stock and boil around 15 minutes or until potatoes are soft. Then add the peas and simmer additional 5 minutes. Now, cool slightly. Then pour into a food processor, stir in chopped peppermint and season with salt and pepper as per your taste. Now you're ready to serve the soup in bowls. You can garnish it with blue cheese and peppermint leaves. And remember, this soup can also be served hot as well as cold.
We tried this recipe and gave it to our guests for tasting, and the reviews were really good, and the green color did not scare them. Plus, the ones who are not the fans of blue cheese or want to cut down calories, soup can be served also without it and will still taste good.
We really hope that you enjoyed our video on peppermint recipes. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. If you tried any of our recipes, please comment below. Also, if you have found any really cool adjustments to the recipes, let us know. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new lifestyle tips and tricks.
Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!
Ciao!